Welcome to Explore with Nat, where we embark on exciting adventures together. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Philippines, to the vibrant city known for its smiles and rich history, Bacolod. Our journey begins bright and early at 7 in the morning, right here at Bacolod New Government Center. This architectural marvel offers a picturesque backdrop for the start of our adventure. After exploring, you can grab a quick breakfast at a nearby eatery. It's 8:30 in the morning and it's time to depart for the ruins of Negros. You can either rent a car or hire a taxi for the approximately 15 to 30-minute drive. Check out my separate video about my whole experience to the ruins from the link above. Head back to Bacolod City and make your way to Capitol Park and Lagoon. Take a leisurely stroll, breathe in the fresh air, and admire the iconic Capitol building, a true gem of Bacolod. By now, hunger may be creeping in, so it's time for a well-deserved lunch break. Trust me, Bacolod's culinary scene will tantalize your taste buds like never before. Just choose from the many restaurant options around the capital. After satisfying your cravings, make your way to the Negros Museum. Spend a couple of hours immersing yourself in the rich history and culture of Negros Occidental through various exhibits and artifacts. Through engaging exhibits, educational programs, and community outreach initiatives, the museum plays a vital role in promoting cultural awareness and appreciation. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply curious about the rich tapestry of Filipino culture, a visit to the Negros Museum is an absolute must when exploring Bacolod. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. It's time for an afternoon snack. Head to Calea Pastries and Coffee to indulge in some sweet treats and refreshments. Next, visit Lupit Church or the San Sebastian Cathedral. Take some time to admire the stunning architecture of this historic church and offer a prayer if you wish. Before the day draws to a close, we're soaking in the coastal charm of Bacolod Baywalk. The sea breeze, the rhythmic waves, is the perfect way to unwind and reflect on the day's adventure. Wait, there's more before we bid farewell to Bacolod. At 6 p.m., we're savoring the flavors of Manukan Country, where juicy grilled chicken awaits. You can also buy fresh oysters from the stalls outside. It's time to pick up some souvenirs to remember our Bacolod adventure. Join me at Bongbong's for a taste of Bacolod's finest Pasalubong, the perfect way to share the magic of our journey with loved ones back home. What a day it's been! From historic ruins to mouth-watering cuisine, Bacolod has truly left its mark on us. Thank you for exploring Bacolod City with me. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you can see my other explorations around the world. Next on Explore with Matt, join me as I share my top destinations to visit in 2024. See you on my next travel adventures.